What is up, guys? It is the 23rd of July 2017 and it was my birthday yesterday and I was going to vlog, but I mean it was a Saturday, so we did the park run in the morning, then we did the presents, and then we went out to this like giant inflatable, we went to Lee Valley White Water Centre, and we went to this like giant like inflatable section. Like it was just like this tiny theme park, but it had like massive inflatable like things. It had like a football where you kick it and it like sticks on its target like with Velcro, and you had like this massive bouncy castle, or you had this giant bouncy slide, or there was this thing that you had to like jump over when it came round, and yeah, that was really fun. But it like was torrential rain. It rained so badly. We all just got our feet wet, and we all got accepted to get wet. But then when they started to close everything because it was raining so bad, we were walking back and the rain like got just torrent, like it was hurting. It was so heavy. We got dripping wet, like we literally just like got in a bath, and it was not very nice. But we just went into the cafe and we just sat in the warm cafe and had a hot chocolate and stuff, so, and chips. Thanks, Angela. So yeah. Well, basically today, why you probably clicked on this video today, I'm doing a fireworks display at my house. If you don't know me, I'm obsessed with fireworks. Trust me, I'm a pyrotechnic. You can see my top. We had fireworks delivered yesterday, as you can see the sign. Lots of fireworks. That's a firebrand cake delivered yesterday. So I'm gonna take you upstairs quickly just to look at the big bunch, and then I'll bring it down here so you guys can see it more in detail. These are my fireworks. Obviously you can't really see them now, but you know, I've got some rockets. These are probably the best rockets I have ever seen, ever. Well, no, I've seen better. These are the best rockets I've ever had, ever. And I've got 9 of them. And then this guy at the fireworks store, he delivered the fireworks. He gave me these rockets for free. So I already shot 3. Oops. And then I bought these Roman candles, because normally you only get Roman candles in a selection box here, but I wanted like big Roman candles this time, so I bought these 4, which are shooting stars Roman candles. These are going to be good. I'm excited for them. I've never seen what they are. There's no video on them, but I'm going to show you more in detail. I've got some cakes here and some shot tubes. So yeah, I'm going to take it all down. Yesterday I just started like fusing it, you see, like putting the fuses together. But I'm going to take it downstairs and I'll show you guys more in detail. This is my fireworks setup, guys. So let me just go through everything for you. So I've got 5 ballistic rockets, another pack of 4 ballistic rockets because I set one off yesterday, I couldn't resist it. 4. I've got 3 shooting star rockets. We ordered like 5 packs of sparklers and the guy just gave us loads. His name's Jan, he works for YTM Fireworks. YTM Fireworks, guys, look at the website, it's just YTM Fireworks UK. It is amazing. It's a really good shop as well. I've got my cable ties there. I've got these Skyburst shot tubes here. I'm really excited for these. Shot tubes are very nice. 3 of these Hydra 12 shot cakes here. I took the top off so I can see inside. I've got a nebula there. Cake 14 shot aerial display. I'm excited for that as well. I then got this nice long twister cake which we bought, which is, how many shot is it? 50 shot. Yeah, 50 shot twister. That's going to be like a nice beginning. I've got this whole Mars selection box here. I've already started to like fuse up. So like, I like that, or the electric match would like that, and then go in there. And we've got big fountain, stuff like that, and I've done that there as well, and on these 2. Oh, and here as well, look. Fused together. And then I got these 4 Roman candles. I need to put these in a rack and then fuse them up. And I have this festival selection box, and I have my electric match, my E-matches in there. This is like a loads of my fountains and stuff in there. And then this, guys. This is what the man, for a birthday present, Jan, the magical firework man, he gave this to me for free for a birthday present. Are you ready? Now, let me just tell you something. He gave me this for free, guys. This would normally be 44, what is it? 44.99, and I got it as a birthday present. So, very big thank you to Jan from YTM Fireworks. That would be, and it's a fan effect as well. Look. Place this side towards spectators. That is going to be a very nice finale, along with some of these, and some of these, and some of that, and some of that. So yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, it's supposed to rain today. I'm hoping it doesn't. Yeah, it's sunny and hot at the moment, so hopefully it stays that way. So as you can see now, guys, I'm just adding the electrical igniter to the firework, to the fuses, and then I'm just gonna tape it to the top, and then when I'm ready I can just release it and plug it into one of these. These are my firing modules for today. All of those. So that's gonna be good. And my firing board is here. That's what I'm gonna use to fire them. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm so busy and I'm stressed now a little bit. Got all my stuff there, igniter's there. I'm just currently making a firing script. And I'm doing my rockets at the moment. I've put them all in here, ballistic rockets. I'm just like fusing them together. And I've only got this much fuse left. And this. And I still have to do the finale, so running a bit low. Look, I'm just like zoom out a bit. I'm just preparing how the board, no, it's not the finale board, but how the board is going to look. I've got a little bit of the finale there, and then I've got the start there. I'm just basically seeing how it's going to work. My rockets are still out here, and I've just done this. I've got my Roman candles sorted out like that. So yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I just need to keep like just working really. I've got igniters. What I've been doing is I've been doing this, look. So I've just been putting these fountains together with a bit of cardboard in the middle. And then just adding one fuse so you can just light it and it will all go off. So I've been doing that to these as well. Those are for the sticks, poles, which we have actually got in the ground now. We've actually got them in the ground, look. So this is the show area where the show is going to be. Got stuff on the floor. So we've got our posts in the ground now. So I told you what's going to happen. Basically, we're going to have a fountain here and a fountain here, a fountain here and a fountain there. So I need to get that cable tied a bit later on. And then I actually shot a rocket, just a regular bottle rocket, pop rocket earlier out of here. You can see the burnt. along good, man. So look, if you can see here, I stuck these cakes to the little base plate I made, so I can angle them like this, so they can go outwards instead of straight up, as you can see there. I've got my rockets done. My rockets are ready. I'm just finishing this board, which is the beginning and the finale. So the rain has also finished, gone, no more. There is no rain for tonight. Hopefully that holds off. I mean, the clouds do look a little bit grey, but I mean, hopefully it can hold off until like tomorrow. So fingers crossed. I've also fused my finale. Look, the fuse, you light it right there. It'll go in there, light the nebula, then come here, light the hydra, then come here, light the shot tubes, and then light the firebrand. So yeah, I'm just excited now. Okay guys, I'm really getting some work done now. Lots of people have arrived already. Very busy in my house. Everyone's playing PS4 in my front room. Everyone's coming here, everyone's arriving to watch. I've attached the fireworks on here and we've wired them up. I've done everything. I've wired it up to the module. Everything's done. And then back here, oh, my friend here, Levi and Ashton. Back here, I'm just plugging stuff into it. Here, and there's my firing script, guys. By the way,
it's gonna blow up. Gonna blow up fireworks tonight.
I still need to put ignite on there.
Ezra, I never need payload.
Plug those.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. But you gotta be there for me too. strength. Whoa, in the system's existence. Warfare was a heaven and a hell. Then you gotta take charge of your winter. Warfare was a god in the sky. And they get them tenements at the mission.
One wire not plugged in.
One wire not connected.
Don't worry, Ezra, you did great. You did great.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Finale, people!
Should we do the count? Oh no, he's done it.
3, 2, 1! 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wasn't it?
Yeah! Here it comes!
Right guys, so the display's over. I'm just picking up all the carnage, like the stuff that was left, like all the fireworks and stuff like that. Back here, this is just crazy guys. This is crazy. This is the leftovers. This is the leftovers. You've got all these cakes that are done. Firebrand, brilliant. Have a look inside. Wow. All those shells fired. The Roman candles went good. They went well, they all fired, that's good. These cakes all went to twister and hydras. Everything went. The only thing is, these 2 shot tubes didn't go, and I had to light those again. And one of the rockets, I think the body came off, and then it blew up on the ground, and it's massive, and it like snapped the stick here. Like the stick is snapped. So I'm not sure what happened there. But look, I've just got so much stuff to pick up. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Oh, I also got like 20, 30, 45, about £50 birthday money. So woo! Buy some cool stuff. Yeah, right. So well, I mean, I've got that to deal with. Alright guys, I know I haven't filmed much, but it's been a very busy night. I've finished with the display, everyone's gone home now. It was unbelievable. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I couldn't really, it was hard to film. Yeah, I used that. The only problem is that the finale, I messed up the finale. It was all put together right, but basically on my firing script, look, let me show you, I've got one more. I printed 3 kits, they get moved and 2 did, so it's good I bought 2. I've got one here, look. So it was all going well, but the finale I put as Q2, channel 2, Q11. And it's basically, it was on the same board as channel 1. So basically the finale was channel 1, Q8. And so I was like, oh man, I pressed the wrong thing. I was like, come on. But I also didn't plug the finale igniter lead into the module. So even if I did press the right thing, it still wouldn't have gone off. I forgot to plug the igniter into the module. So it's really annoying, but I just set the finale off and everyone loved it, and it was good. That thanks to Jan, YTM Fireworks, the firebrand was amazing. Yeah, got a lot of cable ties left, and I got some money for my birthday, which is really cool. Thank you to everyone as well who gave me money for the fireworks. I hope you enjoyed it. All the money I received for the fireworks has gone into that. I gave it all to my mum in one big go. But this is nice. I got this for my birthday. Quite a bit of pounds and stuff. So that's cool. One of my friends, when he gave it to me, he had it in his hand, and he like slapped me in the face with it to give it to me. I don't know why. It's a bit weird. Yeah, I need to pack it all up, take it to my room. That I can put that in the bin now. Yeah. Also, what happened is I had these 2 fireworks that I thought were going to go up, and it was, because you know mine it like shoots and it's like sparks to go up like that. 2 of those was that, it was a mine, but it was also a fountain, and because it was a fountain it should have been in the front garden so everyone could see it, but I put it in the back garden because I thought it was only a mine. So there was a big fat massive fountain in the back that was crackling, and no one could see it. You could just see loads of light and hear it and see sparks. So that's a bit annoying. I just need to remember that. But that Mars selection box, I do love it. It is great. Yeah. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And it's my birthday over for another year. Wow. Man, that's annoying. My birthday yesterday, my party today, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye. Woo.